Caleb Peevler here, Marinemax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of a fresh trade. This is a 2004 Angler 2500 XS. It is their center console or Deep V edition, but there's something special about this one. This one is powered by 2021 four-stroke Mercury 150s. What's important about these is not only that it was repowered this past winter, is that they've only got 22 hours. They're four strokes, so they're nice, quiet, fuel efficient. Don't have to worry about oil changes other than about once a year, depending on how much you're using it. But we've actually got warranty on the engines, the things that matter, out until September 24th of 2024. So you've got a lot of peace of mind coming into a used boat that's been recently serviced, repowered, reviewed by our Mercury service department, and is a great opportunity to get offshore and get out of the water and start fishing and enjoying the boat immediately. We're gonna take a peek inside, run through the options, get a feel for the size of this boat, as well as its condition. Welcome aboard, and as we step inside the rear of the boat and take a look at our fishing space, one of the things that jumps out at me for an 18-year-old boat and a 2004, it's hard to think that 2004 was 18 years ago, but we've got fresh warranted motors that have just over 20 hours, warranty through 2024. But as I look at the bones of the boat, as I look at the hull, one of the things I look at when buying a boat or trading for a boat or inspecting a boat of this stature is, if it's a 2004, what's the gel coat look like? What do the cushions look like? What's the upholstery look like? Is there crazing in the gel coat, or is there stress cracks? And to be honest, this boat shows so well. We don't have any stress cracks coming up around the drains, the transoms, the corners. The boat's in just absolutely phenomenal condition. The owner of this boat actually kept it undercover at a lift about 5 miles north of us on the bay. He did keep everything under covers that we'll be able to see down there in the bathroom and in the head. But as you start to peek at the dash, the condition of the controls, the condition of the switches, the gauges, even the dash panel and gel coat in general, you could see that the boat does show so well and does not show its age. But we've got really good size access here. This is actually a bait and prep station or a freshwater raw water station. Live well here with recirc. It has a little 12 to 14 inch PVC pipe for recirculation. And then we've got our in-floor fish boxes that appear to be right at about 6 foot front to back on either side. Depending on how much you fish or how much you cruise, if you're hardcore fishing, maybe you're using both sizes fish boxes if you're like me and has a young family, young kids. My kids are riding and living up front. I'm running the boat, maybe wife's sitting and hanging out, but the port side would probably turn into a drink cooler. Starboard side would be that fish box when we actually catch fish. Step forward in the boat and you can see everything's been updated in late model. We've got the most recent Fusion Bluetooth Sirius capable Fusion radio. Updated gauges with those new Mercuries as well as controls. Did do a new dash panel with that starboard control and all updated switches that are fresh, clean, easy to see. It is a 5200 series Garmin GPS chart plotter. That's a color 12-inch screen that does all your features such as sonar, GPS, getting your bread trails to run out and fish, as well as actively ready to view autopilot and radar, depending on equipment on the boat. We're gonna peek around and sneak around the head up there, but we can see up front, we've got in-floor storage, or I say below seating storage, windlass anchor, and new upholstery. We talked about the condition of the engines being new. Sorry about some of the passing traffic, it's very loud, but we've got brand new upholstery. I don't know for a fact that it's new, but it sure shows as new. It's in wonderful permeable condition. Everything's really clean, no signs of molds, no signs of dry rot. The vinyl as a whole shows really, really well. The boat overall is in very well kept, maintained condition, but great opportunity to get into a 2004 Angler 2500. Reminder, it is 2021 Mercury 154 strokes that have warranty until September of 2024. We've got opportunity to purchase trailers if you need a trailer. Gentleman here just kept it on a lift, but check us out. It's Marinemax at Panama City Beach. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe at our YouTube channel. And keep an eye on us at marinemax.com for all of our listings. Once again, my name's Caleb Peevler. This is a 2004 used 25-foot center console.